Got something on Hagerstown.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington County in north central Maryland, northeastern Morgan County in the panhandle of West Virginia, northeastern Berkeley County in the panhandle of West Virginia until 8 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Hancock, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter to golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, some hail damage to agriculture is possible. Locations impacted include Martinsburg, Williamsport, St. James, Berkeley, Falling Waters, Fairplay, Clear Spring, Hicksville, Pectonville, Big Spring, Big Pool, Cherry Run, Windrunners Cross, Johnsontown, Spruce Pine Hollow, and Sleepy Creek. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.